you have one of these in your bedroom? Do you do this every time you look at it? Well, me too, folks. So I decided to do something about it and make a sick video of my struggles of trying to turn this messy memory board into a neat, tidy, aesthetically pleasing memory book that can easily be stored in a bookshelf, or in my case, the corner of my room. To start things off, I removed the monstrosity from my wall and began disassembling it. Once everything was sprawled across my bed, I began grouping everything by year. I'm not the type of person to randomly throw things together. I need everything to be perfectly organized, and with a mess like this, I figured the best way to organize would be by date. So I began the sorting process and started to lay things out as the piles became clear. Then, when I was happy with the layout, I secured everything to their designated spots on their designated pages and continued that with each page following. Once everything was placed inside, it was time to turn the sketchbook into a memories book. And let me tell you, this was a process. So enjoy watching me fail numerous times. My first roadblock was these wallboard letters. You guys know what they are. I'll insert a picture, but I picked these up in the dollar section at Target and clipped off the little ends that stick into the slits in the board, and then I spray painted that gold because why not? Everything was working great until I had to secure it to the book. My plan was to hot glue each letter to the cover page, but before I did that, I decided to tape over the word sketch with some silver duct tape. As I tried gluing down each of the letters, I realized that they were so small that I would have to apply the glue with a toothpick, and by the time I finished that, the hot glue would be already dried. So that was a fail. I then scrapped that idea, took all the letters off, and turned to writing the word out in gold Sharpie. But it just looked sloppy and wasn't very readable in person against the silver duct tape. So there's another fail. I then ran to the store and got these gold stickers, but obviously you guys just thought I had them on hand because I cut me running to the store out of the video. I had some black cardstock on hand, so I quickly grabbed that and measured it out to the right length that I needed. After I cut out the right size, I then found the center and then stuck the letters on there from the center of the word so it would all be even. However, I realized that the M's were much bigger than any of the other letters, so I would have probably put the second M in the word as the center of the page instead of the O. Once all the letters were on, I realized that there were some white marks on each of the letters because of the way they were positioned on the sticker sheet, and so I used my gold Sharpie and colored those areas in that were white, just to make everything more cohesive. My final roadblock was the glue. I started out by using a contact cement that I applied to the tape and the paper and then let sit for 10 minutes before adhering them together. I believe this one didn't work as well because of the tape. If it were paper on paper, I'm sure it would have worked fine, but I wasn't about to rip off the tape completely and destroy my black cover page, so that was also a fail. I found another glue option, and this one was spray adhesive. So I sprayed it on the black cardstock, flipped it over, and it worked great. So there we go. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching my video today. I really appreciate it. I just kind of wanted to sit down and let you guys know the reason behind filming this video. So if you guys watch my bullet journal videos, you know that I try to read a book every month, and I think this last month I decided to read this book, not sponsored, by Marie Kondo, but it's called The Life-Changing Magic of Tidying Up, and she really inspired me to get my space organized. Getting your life organized and your space organized can really, really help clear your mind, inspire creativity. I mean, once your mind is clear, you won't even believe what you're capable of doing now because your mind is clear. It's amazing. I highly recommend this book. Again, not sponsored. I just am one of those people that love to tidy and organize stuff, and if you're like me and you want to, I mean, maybe your life is insane right now and you're having like a midlife crisis, something like that, you just feel like you can't get a handle on your life, I would recommend trying to get it organized. Look at your space, see if your life is, you know, a mess. See if there's clothes all over your floor in your room, something like that. You know, even it could be your files on your computer that's messing with your life. So get organized, be efficient, and be the best you can be. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did like it, please click the subscribe button below and give it a like, and I will be releasing a Konmari video from this book. I gotta look at my viewfinder, sorry. See if I'm holding it up right. Yes. Okay. So I will be releasing a video on the Konmari method, and I'm just so excited for it. So I've already filmed it, I've already cleaned my whole room, and I do live in my parents' house, so all I have to clean is my room. So I lucked out on that one, but I did clean my room, I have the video filmed, I just have to get some things finished up, and hopefully that will be released soon. So look out for that, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.